Okay, quiz unit 1. Let's cover some basics. Okay, so this quiz only has 5 questions. So I will read each question aloud and the possible answers before giving you the correct answer. If you need more time to answer, just go ahead and pause the video. All right, let's get started. Number 1. Which 5 English letters are not part of the Italian alphabet? Choose only one best answer. Okay, so letter A, we have H, J, Q, U, V. Letter B, K, P, Q, U, V. Or letter C, J, K, W, X, Y. Okay, so letter C is the correct answer. The Italian alphabet consists of only 21 letters and does not contain J, K, W, X, or Y. Italian does borrow words from English that contain these letters. However, they are not naturally found in Italian spellings. Okay, number 2. Which of the following letter combinations are commonly found in Italian? Choose all answers that apply. So we have letter A, GN, as in onion. Letter B, GLI, as in million. Or letter C, RR, pronounced as a double rolled R. Okay, so all 3 of them are correct. All of these letter combinations are commonly found in Italian. Many other double consonants are also used, such as in pizza, camminare, to walk, capelli, hair, and ottimo, excellent, just to name a few. When speaking, double consonants are held for an extra syllable and are important to pronounce because they often differentiate a word from similar words, such as in the following examples. Capelli for hats, capelli for hair, anno for year, and anno for anus. Don't want to get those last 2 mixed up. Okay, number 3. Which of the following sentences are written in the passive voice? Choose only one best answer. So we have letter A, io mangio la mela, I eat the apple. Letter B, lei scrive la lettera, she writes the letter. Or letter C, il panino è mangiato da lui, the sandwich is eaten by him. Okay, letter C is the correct answer. So in active voice, we'd have lui mangia il panino. He eats the sandwich. But in passive, we have il panino è mangiato da lui. The sandwich is eaten by him. Generally, when the passive voice is being used, the subject, lui in this case, is placed after the verb. And the past participle of the verb, mangiato, being the past participle of mangiare, is used with a conjugated form of essere, e, in this case because lui is the subject. Okay, number 4. With which of the following people would the informal to form be used? Choose all answers that apply. So we have letter A, friends, classmates, peers. Letter B, family. Letter C, business colleagues and other professionals. Letter D, retail workers, shopkeepers, waiters, and baristas. Letter E, people older than you, not including family. And letter F, people younger than you. Okay, so remember we're choosing all that apply. Okay, so the correct answers were A, B, and F. Formal language is used to show respect, so it's used with work colleagues, people you do not know, like waiters, baristas, retail workers, etc., and with people who are older than you. Informal language is used with friends, family, your peers, and people with whom you are well acquainted. Okay, and number 5. Which of the following are correct ways to form a question in Italian? Choose all answers that apply. Okay, so letter A, begin with a question word such as chi, dove, che, quando, or perché. Letter B, raise your voice at the end of a sentence. Or letter C, use a double negative such as no, non voglio mangiare. Okay, so the correct answers were A and B. You can ask a question either by raising your voice at the end of a statement or by starting a sentence with a question word. Here's some examples. Che or che cosa, chi, dove, quando, perché, which also means because, come, can also mean as, quale or quali, quanto. And double negatives have nothing to do with asking a question. They are simply the correct way to negate a sentence. Okay, so how'd you do? If you didn't get them all correct, feel free to retake this quiz and until you get them all correct. And here's just a quick recap of all the correct answers. Okay, if you want to read over them, please feel free to pause the video. I'm just going to scroll down quickly here. All right, great job.